Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Now, imagine yourself standing in front of a room full of people, all eyes on you. The weight of their gaze feels heavy at first, but then something shifts. You stand taller, your shoulders broaden, you feel the strength within you rise. This is not a dream, this is your reality waiting to happen. But here's the question: what do you need to make that shift? What is the difference between someone who cowers in the corner and someone who walks into a room and commands attention without saying a word? Why is it that some people exude confidence and others struggle with self-doubt, even when they have everything to succeed? The truth is, confidence isn't something you're born with. It's not a genetic gift given to the lucky few. Confidence is a skill, and like any skill, it can be developed, it can be built step by step, moment by moment. It can be forged from the fire of your deepest struggles and sharpened with every challenge you face. But here's the real kicker. Confidence isn't about pretending to be something you're not. It's about peeling back the layers of fear, of self-doubt, and finally revealing the powerful woman who has always been there, waiting for her moment to rise. So, I want you to ask yourself this: what if you could become the most confident version of yourself in just 3 simple steps? What would change in your life? How would your relationships, your career, your sense of self shift if you knew deep down that nothing could break you? Today, I'm going to share with you 3 simple yet powerful steps that will help you build that kind of unbreakable confidence. These are not just words, not just strategies. They are truths that will empower you to face the world with a new kind of strength. The kind of strength that no one and nothing can ever take away from you. Now take another deep breath, because this journey begins now, and I'm here to walk you through it, every step of the way. Mastering your inner dialogue, building unshakable confidence, begins with something most people overlook: your inner dialogue. The thoughts you tell yourself every single day. These thoughts are like seeds planted in your mind. If you're constantly telling yourself that you're not enough, not smart enough, not strong enough, those thoughts will take root and grow into beliefs. But here's the truth: you are not your thoughts. Your thoughts do not define who you are. And once you realize that, you can begin to change them. The first step is recognizing how much power you truly have over your thoughts. We often feel like thoughts just appear, as if we have no control over them. But that's not true. We have the power to observe our thoughts and decide whether we want to let them shape us or challenge them. What you think, you become. If you hold on to thoughts of doubt and fear, that is the energy you will carry. But if you hold on to thoughts of confidence and trust in yourself, that is the energy you will radiate. This is the foundation of true confidence. Confidence isn't about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about peeling back the layers of fear and doubt to reveal the strength you've always had inside. You must choose to focus on empowering thoughts that reflect your true potential, not on the limiting beliefs that have been created over time. Every time that voice in your head says you can't, replace it with I can. Every time it says you're not enough, you respond with I am more than enough. The more you practice this, the stronger your confidence will become, because your thoughts will begin to align with your true power. Everything is energy. Every thought you think sends out vibrations that influence your environment. In the famous double-slit experiment conducted by Dr. Thomas Young in 1801 at Cambridge University, it was shown that the observer, the person focusing on a particular outcome, directly affects the outcome itself. This means that when you choose to focus on positive, empowering thoughts, you are changing the energy around you and shaping the reality that you live in. So the more you consciously choose to think positively and affirm your abilities, the more you will begin to see the world respond to you differently. Your energy, your vibration, will attract opportunities, growth, and success. This is the power you have to change your life from the inside out. Now, let's put this into practice. Close your eyes for a moment. Think about one area of your life where you feel uncertain or insecure. Now, I want you to replace the negative thoughts you usually have with a positive affirmation. If you've been thinking, I can't do this, replace it with I am more than capable. If your mind says, I don't deserve success, replace it with I am worthy of every opportunity that comes my way. Feel that shift. That's the power of mastering your inner dialogue. You're beginning to take control over the energy you project, and with that, you're taking control of the reality you create. Embracing your true self. The second step to building unshakable confidence is about embracing your true self. And by that, I mean embracing your uniqueness, your strength, your weaknesses, every part of you that makes you you. This is not about creating a persona or a false version of yourself. This is about shedding the layers of doubt and fear and fully accepting who you are in all your glory. Too often we hide parts of ourselves, afraid that the world won't accept us for who we truly are. We wear masks, pretending to be someone we think people will like. But here's the secret. True confidence comes from self-acceptance, not from pretending to be someone else. You see, when you fully accept yourself, flaws and all, you unlock a deeper level of inner strength. The world will feel your authenticity, and that energy will create the space for opportunities, relationships, and success to flow toward you. When you accept yourself fully, without judgment, the universe begins to unfold in front of you. Self-acceptance is the foundation of a powerful mindset. The moment you stop fighting with yourself, when you stop trying to be someone you are not, is when true peace and confidence begin to settle in. Your energy shifts, the mask falls away, and people can feel the difference. They can feel your authenticity. Dr. Carl Rogers, a psychologist at the University of Chicago, developed the theory of self-actualization and the importance of unconditional positive regard. His research, conducted in the 1950s, showed that when a person feels truly accepted without judgment, they are free to grow and develop to their fullest potential. This is a fundamental principle for building confidence. When you stop criticizing yourself and accept yourself fully, you allow your true potential to emerge. This is the reason why self-acceptance is such a powerful tool in building confidence. You can't be truly confident unless you're willing to stop hiding, stop pretending, and fully accept who you are right now. And the more you embrace yourself, the more powerful your confidence becomes. Taking action and moving forward. We've talked about mastering your inner dialogue, about embracing your true self. But here's the truth. Without action, all the thoughts, all the self-acceptance in the world will never make a difference. Confidence is not a passive state. It is a dynamic force that drives you forward, even when the path is unclear and the journey seems uncertain. Confidence is not something you wait for to magically appear. Confidence is something you choose to embody with every step you take. You may feel overwhelmed. You may wonder, what if I'm not ready yet? What if I fail? What if I take a step and it leads me nowhere? But let me tell you this, you will never be truly ready until you take the first step. The first step is the key that unlocks the door to everything you want. The first step is the catalyst for change, for growth, and for the life you've always dreamed of. You don't need to have everything figured out. You don't need to see the entire staircase. All you need is the courage to take the first step. Action is the bridge between intention and reality. You've set the intention to become unshakably confident, to transform your life, and now it's time to bring that vision into reality. But here's the secret. Action doesn't have to be massive. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment, because that moment will never come. The perfect moment is the moment you choose to act. That's the moment everything starts to change. As I always say, the universe does not respond to intentions alone. It responds to your willingness to move, to take action, to put your plans into motion. The energy you send out through your actions is the energy that the universe will match. If you wait, nothing happens. But when you move, the world moves with you. Action is the energy that activates the universe around you. Every step you take, no matter how small, sends out a signal to the world that you are ready to receive what you desire. And with every action, you prove to yourself that you are capable. You prove to the universe that you are worthy of success. You stop being a passive observer of life and become an active creator of your destiny. Each step you take toward your goal is an affirmation of your strength, of your belief in yourself. You will make mistakes along the way. That's part of the journey. But the more you act, the more you will learn, grow, and expand. And the more you learn, the more confident you become. Confidence is not something that magically appears. Confidence is earned through experience, through the willingness to show up even when you don't have all the answers. Confidence is earned through action. So ask yourself, what is one small action I can take today that will move me forward? It doesn't have to be perfect and it doesn't have to be grand. Just one small step. Maybe it's sending that email you've been putting off. Maybe it's setting a boundary with someone who drains your energy. Maybe it's taking 10 minutes to meditate and center yourself before you take on the day. The action you take today, no matter how small, will set the tone for the next step and the next, until eventually you'll look back and realize how far you've come. The truth is, the more you act, the more the universe aligns with you. You will start to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. You will start to feel stronger, more capable, and more confident with each passing day. And when you look back at where you started, you'll be amazed at how far you've come. So I ask you again, what is the one step you can take today? What is the action that will move you closer to the life you want to live, the confidence you want to feel? Now that you have the tools to build unshakable confidence, what will you do with them? Will you take that first step, even if it feels uncomfortable? Will you embrace your true self and begin to shape the reality you desire? I want you to commit to taking action. Not tomorrow, not next week, but today. Take the first step and let me know in the comments what that step is. I'm here to support you every step of the way as you continue this journey to unshakable confidence. You've got this. Gratitude.